Marching to the kitchen door, counting steps and dancing more. 1, 2, 3 and spin about. Jiggles blow the worries out.
Moonbeam tiptoes on the grass. Dewdrops swing as shadows pass. Hush now, little daisy dear, morning's almost here.
Tiptoe through the sleepy land, find the first from sun again. Hold a secret light and true, the world's still new to you.
Blow a bubble round and bright, catch it quick before it takes flight. Pop, it vanishes in air, but we've got 10 more to share.
Bubbles float and feet go zoom, sunshine fills the playroom. Laugh so loud the clouds look down.
We're the happiest in town.
Again tomorrow?